Hey fellow animators, I'm Cherny. I'm sorry guys, but I'm so busy lately, I have hardly any spare time for making new videos. I know that I say that all the time, but it's also true. As a compensation though, I have a brand new model for you. It's free and available on my website for everybody to download. The model was done by Oleg Kniazev, who donated the model to me, which basically means to all of you as well. So make sure you head out to his ArtStation page if you want to see more stuff from him. The link is below. However, the only file he had was just an old FBX with the pose and animation without a rig or any source file. So I had to revise the model, made a new CAD rig for it and redone the idle animation he had before. It's all there on my website, so enjoy and do some animating with him. And also, this is the moment where I want to ask the rest of you for a similar favor. I know that there are surely a lot of 3D modelers watching these videos. If you have any old models, stuff that is laying on your hard drives for years and you have no further plans for them, please consider contacting me and donating them to the community. I can do tutorials with them and people can learn new stuff. Or I will just rig them and put them on my website like with this one. I would be grateful and probably a lot of other people would be as well. So that's that, and for your information I have just started an Instagram account as well, so if that's your thing you can follow me there as well. I know that I don't post very often, but it's another channel where you can find me nonetheless. And the last thing, thanks to Eloy Andalus Fula who have mentioned my channel in his last video and brought some new people to this community of CAD users, which I'm very grateful for. Go check out his channel as well if you don't know him. He does videos, tutorials and news for 3ds Max, so very useful for us as well. And of course, thank you to all my Patreons, you guys are the best. I'm Cherny, enjoy the model and thank you for watching.